Hi everyone, so this tutorial is going to show you how you can scrape the data from a LinkedIn company page and eventually enter it automatically as a record in your CMS on Webflow. So the reason why I wanted to do this was because I was building a directory site on Webflow and I wanted the main core base of information to come from LinkedIn. It's obviously got a pretty comprehensive database of companies, but I didn't want to add it one by one, and as you know, automating stuff is always better. So I wanted information such as like the name, the location, potentially the description. I'm using Riot Games as an example here. The description, maybe the website, industry, things like that, all the nice bits and pieces that you want. If you have like Sales Navigator as well, you can get some more in-depth stats, which is cool, but for now we're just going to keep it really simple. So for this tutorial we're going to use a tool called Phantom Buster, we're going to use Zapier, we're going to use Google Sheets, we're going to use Webflow, and also LinkedIn. It's just a cookie we need to find from LinkedIn. So